Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. X to the power minus x and there is a power 1 minus x is equal to 2 to the power 8. Here question is what? X to the power minus x and there is one more power over this negative of x, 1 minus x here. How we can solve this question? To solve this question, we will first separate these terms. How? By using this concept. Suppose we have e to the power m plus n, so that one can be written as e to the power m into e to the power n. So I'm just going to use this formula over here to separate this one. I need to separate this one, this term. So this exponent is going to separate in this way: x to the power minus x power 1 into we have x power and then I can write minus x in this way. And now I'm having this one 2 to the power 8. So in this way we have separate these terms, and the next term will be we can write this one x to the power minus x, and then this one can be write as x to the power minus x, this one, that is equal to 2 to the power 8 over here. And now this our aim is to put this one in this format, that is suppose a to the power a and suppose b to the power b. So this implies that a should be equal to b, then this equation will be considered. So here I need to convert this one same base and same exponent, as we have here same base is here and same exponent over here. The same thing I'm just going to find it out. How we can find it out? You can see here 8 can be factorized as 2 into 4. So we have we have this one 2 to the power 2 multiply 4, and it is here x to the power minus x, and there is a x to the power minus x over here. Now obviously we can see here 2 to the power 2, and we can raise power 4 over here, so we will get 4 to the power 4. So same base and same exponent will achieve over here. And the beautiful thing is that here I'm just getting this is x to the power minus x. So I need to get here negative value over here. How we can put this value? So this can be achieved as same, we are having same base same power, same base same power. So just I can write this one as x to the power, suppose this can be considered as this one I'm just taking, and this one, both should be equal, then these two will be equal. So here x to the power minus x can be written as 4, and what we have to do, we can write this one as negative 2 and there is a power 2. So negative 2 of having power 2, so it will result us 4, and here we have x to the power minus x. And we need to find out one thing is that I need to put here, base should be, negative. How? So obviously we can write this 2 as, negative of negative 2. Very beautiful thing is that we can write positive, as negative of negative 2. So we are having this one x to the power minus x, and in this way we can say that by equating x is equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2, we can compare, and finally we can say that we are having x is equal to, negative of 2 finally. So this is our solution. If you want to check it out, we can check it, the result is, correct or not. So I'm just going to verify it. To verify, we are having, x to the power minus x, and there is a power one more, 1 minus x. So here we have x equal to minus 2, so minus 2, and then we are having minus 2 of negative 2, and we are having 1 minus and then minus 2. In this way this is coming, first of all we have to work over the exponent. So it is coming minus 2 into minus 2, it is coming plus 2, and this one is coming 1 plus 2. So you can see here the power over here, 2, this one is 1 plus 2, so we are just going to add this one, and we will have minus 2 to the power, 2, and there is a power over here 3. So 2 to the power 3 will give us, 8, so it is 8 over here. And we are knowing that if any even number over, negative value, so that is going to positive. So here we'll get, positive value. So minus 2 can be write as minus 1 into 2, and there is a power 8. So this is coming, minus 1 power 8 and 2 to the power 8. So negative 1 having power 8, that is coming 1 into 2 to the power 8, and this is our, right hand side. So it is 2 to the power 8, and this is our, valid proof. So this is our RHS, and we proceeded from LHS. So here we are finding that our LHS term is going to equal with RHS term. This verifies our solution. Equal to minus 2 is our correct answer. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.